Hello everyone. Once we have already seen the bit stuffing, the character stuffing is going to be much more easier. So the program is expected to be written by you. Um, so I'm going to run the program. So this is what the program looks like. Let us check if it is working, and I will explain what is actually happening in the code. Alright, so as you can see, I have input a string. So as you know, this is a character stuffing or byte stuffing. So this is a character. It is a string, the array of characters. So in the starting and the ending, the similar to the flag, we have used a star. We can use any character. You can change it in the code. So this is just to say this is the data, and it is started and ended with the delimiter. And this is how the exact intention of the program is to be running. Alright, so one more iteration of the program, one more variation of the program is, what if my data has got also a star in it? Say some data and star and something in it, something else in it. So let us see how it changes. So we have the flag that is similar to the previous one. We have the flag in the starting and the ending. We have the data until here, until the star is encountered. So once the star is encountered, we are just going to say the it is a star by denoting with the dollar symbol in the beginning. So dollar and the star, which says this star is also a part of the data. If it is just a star, it means only this is the data. So it is a simple, clear, common sense. So if there is a star which is encountered anywhere, that means it should end here. If it is a dollar and a star, that means you should not end here. That particular dollar needs to be excluded, and the next star is a part of the data. Please understand, please replay the video in case you have not understood. So this is what the final output should be looking like. Okay, so I will explain the code. So once it is clear, we can simply analyze the part of the code which is shown. This is the character stuffing video. Again, I've included a max here just to show the limit of an array. So if you have used a capital max, use the capital max max in the same thing, in the same way, so it is quite understandable. So we have the destination and source index as the an integer. So assigned di is assigned to 0. So we have an array, we have a string which is having only a star, that is the beginning and the end. So we are going to append beginning in the beginning and end in the end, and in between there will be a source, that is the whatever is input by the user. Okay, so this is similar to the previous bit stuffing. So whatever which is whatever the data is entered by the user, so that will be copied, that will be stored in src. So src has got a maximum of 100 characters. Okay, so in the same way what we have done in the bit stuffing, we are going to do the same thing. We are going to store star in the beginning. So the beginning will be copied to destination. So destination will have only a star now. It is waiting for the another parts to come in. So that is what is explained in the next part. So di will be incremented. So my di will be pointing to this. Since there is only one character, we are not using any string length and other string functions as we have used in the bit stuffing. Okay, so while this is the same thing which we are going to use from the bit stuffing, if there is nothing in the source, if there is nothing which is input, I'm not going to run this particular code. If there is something which is other than the null character, I am going to run the code. So if SI is equal to star, as I have already said, if I encounter star here, that means destination should have a dollar and a star. So SI will be incremented once, DI will be incremented twice, because I need to store not only star but also have dollar star. So this will have to move twice. On this will only will be incremented, that is H will be coming, Y will be coming, F will be coming, Y will be coming, and in case there is a star, okay, let me run that and it will be more clear. So in case I have DD and star, so this will be the beginning, so this will be coming as it is, D will be shown as it is, star will not only be as star but as a dollar star. So this part will be incremented twice, so 1 2 3 and 4, this will be 1 2 and 3. So I hope you get the idea. So once that is clear, if else source is only dollar, so let us see what if it is a dollar. So we have already seen with the dollar, we have already seen with the star, I'm sorry. So let me use a dollar and some data. It should have a dollar and a dollar. Again, this is completely left to you. So the whole intention is to have a common sense, not to mix with the data. The data should not have anything which is used in the flag, that is the starting and the last delimiter. So the whole intention is that. So if you have a dollar, use dollar and a dollar similar to the previous one, and you're going to increment the source and the destination once and twice respectively, similar to the previous loop. If nothing is encountered, that is if only the normal wordings are encountered like A B C D E F G, you are not going to do anything. You're just copying it from the source to the destination, and you're going to do it until the destination will have the null character. So the whole destination source is copied to the destination in case there is no star and dollar which is used as here. Alright, so do all this until the end. So once the end is encountered, you have to append null character to DI, that shows a destination will have the end of the string, that is star is already inserted, HD and all those things have been inserted. In case there is a special character, that is also taken care of, and then star is also entered, and after that I have a null character. That is what this particular code is doing, and concatenate destination with the end. So end is already achieved here. So you get the idea what is happening in this particular code. So the stuffed frame is shown here. Same program I've written here. So in case I have CCN star lab exam star lab and dollar and exam, so star will be the beginning and this will be the end, CCN, and since I have a star I will use a dollar star. Since there is a lab, I will use the lab as it is. Since there is a dollar, I will use dollar and a dollar. So I hope this is clear, and that is it for the character stuffing.